Tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac, this beautifully upgraded 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home was built in 2021, and it shows. Step inside to over 2,200 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. The open concept main floor flows seamlessly with extended tile throughout, leading you to a stunning white kitchen complete with ample cabinetry, a full stainless steel appliance package, and finishes that feel anything but builder grade. The home also features a whole home water purification system and sits minutes from top shopping, dining, and everything Central Florida has to offer.
If you want to schedule a private showing of this home or any home you've seen on our channel, call the Erica Diaz team right now at 407-904-2702. We can get you in the door fast. And if you found this tour helpful, hit like and subscribe. We post new listings and home tours every week right here in Central Florida.